Good evening, friends, and welcome back to my kitchen. It is a cold December afternoon, and what best to make for dinner than some nice hot chili. So I brought out my InstantPot, and I'm going to show you how you can make a quick dinner using the InstantPot, and you'll be done in less than 20 minutes. So let's get started. All right, friends, so here are all my ingredients. I've got onion, bell pepper, cumin, pepper, chili powder, garlic, oregano, salt. I'm going to be using venison that I have ground up already. You can use any meat that you want. Tomato sauce, diced tomatoes, and some chicken broth. So first thing first, we've got our InstantPot on, and we're going to go ahead and put it on saute mode because we need to first saute up these onions. All right, the timer has now started on my InstantPot, so it tells me that it's now warm enough to go ahead and put in our onions to start sauteing. All right, everything's sauteing up nicely. I'm gonna go ahead and add our bell peppers. And these are bell peppers that I chopped up and put in the freezer and let them defrost. All right, I'm gonna go in with some minced garlic. I'd say about a tablespoon of chili powder, some pepper, about a teaspoon of cumin, some oregano. Of course, you gotta have your salt. And I'm just gonna give this a stir. I've got my jar of diced tomatoes that I grew. Add that whole jar in there. Got some tomato sauce, just a little bit. About a half a cup of tomato sauce. And a half a cup of chicken broth, my can of ground venison, and again, you can use any meat that you want. I'm just using what I have in my pantry. Now I'm gonna go in with a can of black beans, rinsed very well, and kidney beans. And give this a nice stir. All right, so now that everything is well incorporated, we're gonna go ahead and close our lid, and we are gonna turn off the saute mode, and we're gonna turn on pressure cook, and we're gonna do 5 minutes because everything is fully cooked, or you do not have to cook this that long. So 5 minutes, this needs to come up to pressure, and then once it's done, 5 minutes, and then we'll come back and see how everything looks after that. All right, friends, so our chili is done. It's been resting for 5 minutes. I'm gonna let it completely take all the pressure out before I open it. So I'm gonna let it sit here for a little while. While we're waiting, we are gonna make some cheddar biscuits. So all we need for that is 1 package of our cheddar biscuits, and we're gonna put this in a bowl. All right, to that, we're gonna add 3/4 of a cup of water. Give this a good mix. And about a half a cup of shredded cheese. And just finish mixing this all up. All right, it's all incorporated, so we are just gonna break off however big you want your biscuits and just put them on there. Yes, I'm using my hands. I'm only cooking for my family, so they are clean. All right, so it made me 6. All right, we're gonna go ahead and preheat the oven to 450. Once that's up to temperature, I'm gonna go ahead and put the biscuits in there. All right, friends, my oven is up to temp. We're gonna go ahead and put these in the oven for 13 to 16 minutes. All right, biscuits are all done, and so is our chili. So we'll go ahead and get this all plated up. Almost forgot. Last thing you need to do is melt some butter. I've got 1/3 of a cup of butter here. Microwave that for a quick minute. All right, this is our garlic and herbs. Go ahead and pour it into the butter. Give it a good mix. And we're gonna drizzle these on top of our biscuits. All right, friends, everything is done. So let's go ahead and get ourselves a bowl of chili. And I guess you'd go ahead and consider this a venison chili since it does have ground venison in it. And get myself a biscuit. And we'll give this a try. All right, friends, so let's go ahead and give this chili a try and see how it tastes. My father-in-law already took a bowl and he said it was amazing. So I'm pretty sure it's gonna be amazing. Super easy. Tastes just like chili. Like have dinner done for your family in 30 minutes. Biscuit. That's comfort food right there. Perfect for the cold night because it's in, I believe it's 20 degrees outside right now. So it's super cold. Hubby's on his way home. He's been working all day. He will enjoy a nice warm meal. So friends, I hope you give this recipe a try and I hope you like it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well and have a blessed day.